Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this math tutorial, we are solving an exponential equation. Right now, the first step that we need to take is to let u is equal to root x. And that means x is equal to u squared. That is if you square both sides of this equation. All right. So we're going to substitute these into that equation. Remember, we said x is equal to u squared. That means we got 3u squared on that. Then minus 2u, because we say root x is equal to u, minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we need to solve this equation, but we have to factorize it first. Now, to factorize such an equation, you are going to multiply this term and that term. You are going to get minus 3u squared. Then you say and minus 2u. So you're looking for factors, two factors, that if you multiply them, you get that, and if you add them, you get that. And those factors are minus 3u and u. You multiply these two, you multiply them, you get that, you add them, you get that. Okay, so now I'm going to take these two at that place of minus 2u because it is the same thing. So I'll rewrite that equation. I'll say 3u squared minus 3u plus u is the same thing as minus 2u is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to factorize. I'll group this and factorize. I group this and factorize. I have a common factor here, which is 3u. So I'll take that one out. Then I'll say u minus 1. Here I'll just factor out 1. Then u minus 1 is equal to 0. Then I'll factor u minus 1 at the end. Then 3u plus 1 is factorized. Now I'm looking for u now. I will say u is equal to 1, or u is equal to 1 over 3 minus. All right, now I'll take this back now to that point where we came from. You remember we said x is equal to u squared. So we're going to say x is equal to u squared when u is 1, so x is equal to 1. Or x is equal to u squared when u is minus 1 over 3, we've got x is equal to 1 over 9, because we're saying minus 1 over 3 squared. Then we've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.